So today we are looking at this Olympiad Math problem. We are having 9 exponent 4 exponent x is equal to 4 exponent 9 exponent x. Okay, so we are solving for x in this case. So let us introduce logarithm to both sides in order to get the exponent down. So we have log 9 exponent 4x is equal to log 4 exponent 9x exponent x. Okay, so this one is 4 exponent x. Good. So with this, you are going to get 4 exponent x log 9 is equal to 9 exponent x log 4. Okay, so now you can divide both sides by log 9 multiplied by 9 exponent x. Same here, log 9 multiplied by 9 exponent x. So now you can see that log 9 will cancel log 9. I'm leaving 4 exponent x on 9 exponent x, which is equal to, so this one to 9 exponent x will cancel 9 exponent x, leaving log 4 on log 9. Okay, and also we can express 4 as 2 exponent 2. Okay, then bracket our x on the 9 2 can be expressed as 3 exponent 2, then exponent x, which is equal to, in this 4 can express it as log 2 exponent 2 over log, so the 9 is 3 exponent 2. Okay, so now you can say that we have 2 exponent 2x on 3 exponent 2x, which is equal to 2 log 2 on 2 log 3. Okay, so in indices we have something like, if we have a over m, we have something like a power m on a power, so let's say b on b power m is equal to a over b all exponent m. Okay, so we are going to express this as that, we get 2 on 3 all exponent 2x is equal to, from here 2 will cancel 2, we're leaving log 2 on log 3. Okay, in logarithm we can change the base, so when you have log a over log b the same as log a base b. Okay, so we are going to use this expression. Now we have 2 on 3 exponent 2x is equal to log 2 base 3. Okay, so now we can introduce another log to both sides. So it's going to be log to bracket 2 on 3 exponent 2x, which is equal to log to bracket log 2 base 3. Okay. So now we are going to get 2x multiplied by log 2 on 3, which is equal to log into bracket log 2 base 3. Okay. Now we can divide both sides by log 2 on 3. So we are going to get, or okay, you can also divide both sides by 2 log 2 on 3. Okay. So we are going to get 2 multiplied 2x log 2 on 3, which is equal to log the bracket log 2 base 3. So we divide both sides by 2 log base 3, 2 log 2 on 3. So this one cancel this, then the 2 cancel this. So now we are going to get x alone. So x is equal to log into bracket log 2 base 3 on 2 log 2 on 3. Okay. So now we can make it half. Because of these two, we can say that x is equal to half multiplying by log into bracket log 2 base 3 on log 2 on 3. Okay. So now our x, so now our x is going to be half multiplying by, so this one we can change the base using this rule. Okay, using this. So we're going to get log into bracket log 2 base 3, then 2 on 3. Okay, so this will be our x, which is equal to half multiplied by log into bracket log 2 base 3 base 2 on 3. So this is our final answer for the problem. Okay, so please make sure you subscribe to the channel